Hey guys!
Today we're going to be unboxing and playing Mouthful.
I'm really excited to play this game because I've seen so many people play it on social media and some of my friends have already played this and I'm really excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, we played this with our friend.
But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell,
like, and comment.
So, there is like this big thing that stretches your mouth. It's like plastic. So then you can see all your gums and your teeth.
Yeah.
And then there are like these cards and you have to try say what it is while the gear thing is in your mouth. Imagine if I had the gear on and I had to try say it.
I can't see the card and there's a timer too.
Yes, there is a timer. And then when she guesses and gets it right, she gets my card. And you keep collecting each other's cards when you get it right. But if you get it wrong, you have to keep on doing it until the timer stops. And then at the end, you get to see who has the most cards, and whoever has the most cards wins. It's a bit confusing, but I feel like you'll get it once
when you
watch us play.
Okay, let's open it.
You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, Jamila, why don't you peel this tape?
I just got it out.
Okay, so here's the mouth gear you have to put on your mouth. I think this is the adult pieces one because they're the adult one and the kids ones.
Kid one.
Okay, so.
Got it.
Wait, I can do it. Okay.
Instructions.
But we know how to play, so we don't really need those. First, here are the cards and their teams. I'm gonna be on the red team and she's gonna be on the blue team. Then there is the timer. We'll put that on that side so then when we play, it'll be ready. These are the adult ones, like the adult gear.
And these are the kids ones.
Yeah, because there are smaller ones than these and big
Big
ones.
One? Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna wash them and then we're gonna come back and play. Ta-da! This is what we look like. This is what I look like with the kids on. It doesn't stretch that much, so I'm gonna try out the adult one.
While she's trying that, we're gonna open the card.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay, it's hard. Does it fit?
Sure. Oh, this is better.
Okay, now you need to help me open these cards.
So here are the cards.
Okay, now we need to even it. I'm just gonna.
They're double-sided.
Okay. Here.
Okay.
I'm gonna be on the blue team.
I'm gonna be on the red team.
I'm gonna go first, so start the timer.
3, 2, 1.
Donald had a wig and wore it in the wind.
Donald had a wig and wear it in the wind?
Close. Donald had a wig and wore it in the wind.
Donald had a wig and wore it in the wind. Yes! Okay, get the card. Again.
I hope I don't lose my soap.
I hope I don't lose my soap. Hey!
If hats had chats, they each had chatter hats. If hats had chats, there would be chatter chats.
If hats had chats, there would be chatter chats?
If hats had chats, there would be chatter chats.
If hats had chats, they would be chatter hats?
Tasty toothpaste in tubes.
Tasty toothpaste in tubes? Finish! Okay, I just get the card.
So now it's Patrice's turn. Okay, I'm not gonna.
Okay, we're gonna start the timer.
3, 2, 1.
Ahi the elephant eats everything easily.
What? Wait.
Ahi the elephant eats everything easily.
Effie the elephant eats everything easily.
Hey, nice.
Great.
My son's hamster is called Harry Harrison.
My son's... Wait, go again.
My son's pet hamster is called Harry Harrison.
My son's pet hamster is called... Go again.
No. My son's pet hamster is called Harry Harrison.
My son's pet hamster is called My son's pet hamster is called Harry Harrison.
Harry Harrison.
No. Next card. Okay.
Wait. So now it's Jemila's turn again. Go.
Only mushrooms don't have mushroom.
Say it again, please.
Only mushrooms don't have mushroom.
Molly mushroom doesn't have much room.
Moldy mushrooms don't have mushroom.
Moldy mushrooms don't have that much room. Moldy mushrooms don't have much room. Thank you.
Donuts do not do nothing.
Donuts do nothing. Donuts do not do nothing. You're starting to drool.
Oh, you're so funny.
Okay, go again.
Pink ice cream gives you weird dreams.
Pink ice cream gives you weird dreams.
Now it's my turn again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Maggot sandwiches are my favorite.
Maggot sandwiches are my favorite.
Yes. Here, go.
Go.
Frederick the fish made a wish not to end up on dish.
Frederick the fish made a wish to not a drink.
No.
Timer's out. Before we carry on, let's count up how many cards we have so far. This is such a big number, too. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Now let's carry on. 3, 2, 1, go.
I once sent a letter to a left-handed lettuce.
I once sent a letter to a left-handed lettuce.
Harry the horse played golf on the concrete course.
Can you say that again?
Harry the horse played golf on a concrete course.
Harry the horse landed on a pancake course.
Harry the horse played golf on a concrete course.
Can you pass that one? That's hard.
At caught a rat and shot it with a axe.
Wait, pass.
Okay, young rain goes never rain on trains.
Say that again slowly.
Rain goes never rain on trains.
I cannot understand.
Rain goes never
Time's out. Now it's Patrice's turn. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
A sushi chef called Sue chopped her finger in two.
Wait, pass.
A sushi chef.
I said pass that one.
A tea got some letter that it burst into her bag.
A tea got bursted into her bag.
Pass?
Yeah.
Trash cans can take out the trash.
Trash cans can take out the trash.
That was easy. The sun wears sunglasses on sunny days.
The sun wears glasses on sunny days.
The sun wears sunglasses on sunny days.
The sun wears sunglasses on a sunny day.
That's correct.
Mila's turn again. 3. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
The queen likes to drink on her washing machine.
The queen likes to drink on her washing machine.
The queen likes to drink on her washing machine.
The queen likes to
Dream on her washing machine.
The queen likes to dream on her washing machine. Oh my. Really?
Unicorns love corn.
Unicorns love corn. So the timer stopped and now it's Patrice's turn.
Okay. Done it?
3, 2, 1.
Hot dogs are nice to share with mice. Hot dogs are nice to share with mice.
Go again.
Hot tubs are nice to share with mice.
A hot tub is nice to share with mice.
Hot tubs are nice to share with mice.
Hot tubs are nice to share with mice.
Yes, correct. Tennis balls went to a hall and danced on the walls.
Tennis balls went to the ball and Timer's out. Oh, just in time. Now it's Jemila's turn. Go.
I had a cake, eggs, and toilet paper.
Say that again.
I had a cake, eggs, and toilet paper.
I have a cake made out of toilet paper.
I had a cake made out of toilet paper.
I have a cake made out of toilet paper.
I had a cake made out of toilet paper.
I have a cage made out of toilet paper.
I had a cake. A cake. Cake.
Oh, a cape made out of toilet paper. Oh, you're like, hey. Yeah.
Skaters only hard when they can't skate.
Skateboards only board when they can't skate.
Skaters only get bored when they can't skate.
Skateboards only get bored when they can't skate. Oh, timer's out, timer's out, timer. This is gonna be the last round. And it's Patrice's turn.
Okay. I'm gonna go. 3, 2, 1. Tickle a tickle and you'll get a nickel.
Tickle a nickel and you'll get a
Has. A guru named Zuru had an owl called Hee-Hee.
girl named
Has.
Yuri. Timer's out. So this is the last one for Jemila. And yeah. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Walnuts hawk sideways in the wind owl.
Pass. Quickly, please.
A teacup held with a teacup T-Rex.
A teacup can be held by a T-Rex.
A teacup held with a teacup T-Rex.
Pass.
Pencil got hosted to Paris.
My pencil got posted to Paris.
Kitchen Higgs huzzing like a E.
Pass.
Grasshoppers hop and start her popcorn.
Grasshoppers hop and search for popcorn.
Grasshoppers hop and only start her popcorn.
Oh, grasshoppers hop and only stop for popcorn.
Yep.
So that was the last round, and now we're gonna count up our cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. That's okay. I mean, we can play it again later.
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, this is a 10 out of 10. It was really, really fun. And it's really like funny looking at each other with the gears on. It's really, really fun. And it was fun with the cards, like trying to say it, and it's really cool. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell,
Like and comment.
See you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye!